Hi everyone, this is the recipe for the LSA wrap. The ingredients: ground LSA, which is linseed, sunflower and almond, some spray, 1 egg and some baking powder and a little bit of water. I'll go through the recipe as I'm going. If you want to know what LSA is, it is linseed, sunflower and almond, or in the US also known as flaxseed, sunflower and almond. Let's get on to the recipe. Okay, so into the bowl we put 2.5 tablespoons of the ground LSA, and we put half a teaspoon of baking powder, we put 2 tablespoons, first of all we grab a fork and blend that all together. As best as you can. Then get 2 tablespoons of water, and 1 egg. Mix it all around. Trying to get all of it into a nice batter. Looks a little bit like mushed up bird seed. Take a round dish, so I'll show you the dish. A light spray with the spray. Oops. Here's my wonky shooting. And then we tip this into the container. Making sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl so we get all of it in the container. Then to make sure it's evenly spread, just roll this around until you've got it in all the sides, and it should look like that before being cooked. And then pop it into the microwave for 2 minutes and 45 seconds on high. So 2 minutes 45 seconds later, and it's hot and it's come out of the microwave. So as soon as it's cooked, grab a spatula, just lift it up, run it under just in case there's anything that's slightly stuck, flip it over onto a cooling rack to cool. And then you can enjoy that as a bread-like. You can see it's quite thin, it's very pliable, and that will now cool for about 10 minutes before I fill it and then have it for lunch. Okay, so for a variation I thought I'd try something a little different. I thought I'd make an oblong wrap just to see how it comes out. I've never tried this before and thought it might be good for trying a panini press or something like that, to have a hot bread like panini. So I've just got my mixed up ingredients. Just going to pour them into the dish and pop this also in the microwave. Now I may need to adjust the time for this because it's a different shape, so I'll do a bit of an experiment and come back to you as soon as it's cooked. But same principle, just move it round and then I'm just going to pop it in the microwave and see what happens. Okay, so I did this one for 15 seconds less, so it's 2 minutes 30. So just coming out of the container, it is a little bit dry, so I probably could have done it for 15 seconds less, but the same principle, and just laid it on the other one to join it. So what I'm going to do when this one's cooled down, I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to put some chicken, little bits of chicken and some cheese, and I'm going to grill it in the George Foreman grill to see if I can make like a toasted sandwich type thing. So that will be an interesting experiment. So I'll show you after that I've done what I've done with those two options for lunches. Okay, bye.